lamang nagtapos ang Sandugo labanan ng mga kampiyon, and what a great card we had this evening, Ronnie.
Super card, dugo talaga ang dalawang laban. Si Jason Pagara fought a great fight, won by a second round TKO when the opponent was cut, couldn't continue. Referee stopped the fight. And then Banal versus Big U. That was one of the best fights you've seen in your life. Palagay ko, that is a candidate for fight of the year. Panalo si Banal, a fifth round knockout.
Knockout.
Pero give credit to Big U. I mean, he came to fight really solid, matibay yung boksingero galing sa Korea. Sobrang magandang laban. 25 to 30,000 people enjoyed every minute of it, and you're seeing it on ABS-CBN, Channel 2 and Studio 23. What more can you ask for, boxing fans? What more can you ask for?
AJ Banal, ang bagong WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight Champion. At gusto namin magpasalamat sa aming mga sponsors. Siyempre, ang Ala Boxing Promotions, ABS-CBN Sports, Cobra Tunay na Lakas Energy Drink, Manila Beer, All Malt Strong Beer. At siyempre, ang Tagbilaran City's Mayor's Office. Siyempre, kay Mayor Dan Neri Lim at ang kanyang executive assistant na si Mr. Mark Monton, ang Bohol Sandugo Foundation Incorporated, and of course, the Peacock Garden Luxury Resorts and Spa, at syempre, the Metro Center din.
25,000, 30,000 people here in Tagbilaran, Bohol enjoyed a great night of boxing, and you got to give credit to them. They were so disciplined. Iba talaga yung mga tao dito.
At syempre, nagpapasalamat ulit kami sa Cobra at sa Manila Beer. So that wraps up a great fight. Ronnie, sa ngalan po.
Just a minute. I'm going to take my Cobra Energy Drink 9. I need it.
Alright, we gotta get out of here. Sa ngalan po ng lahat ng mga bumubuo ng ABS-CBN Sports, pati na rin ang aking partner na si Ronnie Nathaniels. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtutok. Ito po si Anton Rojas para sa ABS-CBN Sports Sandugo, labanan ng mga kampiyon.